So I am going to start off this video by apologizing. I accidentally deleted all my intros to all my videos for the scrap room this month, showing off all the pieces of the kit. But so I've already started cutting into it, but right here in a card, I will have linked the Tina Gale unboxing of the double shot kit so you can see where I'm playing with the 49th and Market Art Options Holiday Wishes collection today. And I also started, my goal was to finish kind of doing some of the 30 days of sketches that were in October. And so I was going to use some of them this month as well. So today we're doing day 3s, which is created by Sandra Lee. It has lots of fun layers and big chunks of pattern paper. And what I love is this collection is a lot of more subtle patterns, not a lot of like super bold except for the solids. So I thought it would be fun to be able to play with all the pattern papers. So what I've done so far is I have taken this pattern. So you get 3 pieces of cardstock. So you got a powder blue and 2 ruby red. I've taken this powder blue and cut it down. What did I cut it down to? It's about 11. I took like 3/4 of an inch off 2 sides. And then I trimmed off a 1/2 inch on 2 sides and got a piece of red cardstock so that this will have a nice little nestling place. We'll have a double border. And then I got this pattern paper, which was The Village. And I haven't cut up a lot of the pattern papers in this one, luckily. So you can see that. So this is The Village. So this is the A side. This is why it's called The Village. And the B side, this lovely stripe. I have 2 photos from my son's, was this preschool? Yes, this is preschool Christmas program. This is 3-year-old preschool. I got this sheet of rub-ons in mine, and I've got chipboard and embellishments. And then I haven't cut these, so luckily with this one, you can at least see some of the pattern papers. And then the other one is Miracle, which is this one, beautiful, and this solid green, and then Picking the Tree, which is this gorgeous pattern, and this gorgeous red. So my plan is this lovely sketch you see now up in the corner is we are going to do that a little bit smaller scale because I trimmed these papers down, but I wanted to be able to do them on here. So my plan also is that piece of paper that in the sketch that goes below where the title is going to rest, I'm going to play with the rub-ons and kind of create my own pattern is the plan. But we'll wait and see like how much of those leaves I want to put on there, but they stand out enough that I really like that. So I think we're going to do that. My other plan, let's see. So I wanted to be able to have those papers span, those 2 papers span across. So that's why I haven't glued this down yet, because we're going to span them and then we'll trim them or make sure they're trimmed. And then we'll glue this down to the frame. I think I'm going to do a chunk of this up top. I think I'm going to do this and this as the stripes that go across, and then I'm going to do these 2 and this chunk across the top. So I'm using the front and back. Like right here. Good measurement. We'll do about 5.5. Yep. And then we're going to cut this in half. So we'll do a 2.5 and a 2. And then these will sit, and then this will tuck under. That's where the title will rest, which I have to figure that out yet. Like that. And then I need those 3 papers. So we're just going to cut a chunk. there's not very much room on here. We're gonna do I want 5 or do I want 4? I can do 5. 5 inches. 5 inches. There we go. So that is that. I don't know if you guys are familiar with 49th and Market papers, but they are thick. So this is this is a thick layout. At first I know there's this is beautiful paper and people are probably thinking like, I'm wasting it. I'm not using it to its full potential because I'm just sticking it down, but I like all the layers and I like the way that looks. All right. Let's get some. I gotta figure out a title. I didn't do that. I feel like I don't need to put too many ribbons on there. Because they're just gonna get covered up, so we won't do too many. We'll do a couple more. So the rub-ons you're gonna get in the kit are gonna be, it's gonna vary. But you get a popsicle stick to get them all down, and they go on so well. You guys, they go on so well. Do I want another one? Let's look. Let's look. That's the awesome thing about rub-ons is you can cut them individually out and just look. Wait, do I want this on there? Yeah, I kind of want to cover it. We'll do one more after that too. Kind of a medium one. Do I have like a medium one? And I know they're sheep. Oh, my child's dressed up as a sheep, not a deer, but we're gonna layer that up. And another deer. I like it. I kind of want to do tell the story is what I want to do. I have no E's left, but I do have 3's. Tell the story. Let's try it. And I'm doing that based off the song, I love to tell the story. You know that hymn? To tell the old story of Jesus and his love. I don't think it's a Christmas song, but... And then, like, Go Tell It on the Mountain. Like, I'm thinking of all those songs that kids sang. So then we want a big the. Big the. Let's see what this looks like. These letters are a little crazy and they're a little old. But I like that they're a little glittery and they pick up this light green. And the fact that the 3 kind of matches the other E. You'll never know. Tell the story. Okay. All right, now we're gonna use these other bits to just do more layering. More layering. There's not a lot of embellishments and things in the sketch, mainly just all these layers and then the title down here. So I want to do more layering. So we can bring in a little bit of this blue if we want. You get chipboard and ephemera pieces. I could cut this in half and put some of it over here, some of it over here, which I think I'm gonna do. Do that. There's just all this empty space in this photo. I just feel like, yeah. See, yeah, this looks good. I can put that down. Or do I want this here with the date and then this here with journaling? Ooh, that might work. I like when things start falling together, guys. I do. I really do. Awesome. I think I also might grab, don't I have a blue Nouveau? Yeah, let's see what this looks like. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Blue Babe Crystal Drops from Nouveau. I'll just figure out the date and I'll stamp that there as well. And I'll make sure, I think these are sticking for good. Maybe not. I'll add some glue to that and we're done. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.